Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is a photo chart of DXY, and my dear friends, while recording the yesterday's video, I told you that DXY was in a critical spot. DXY was here and we were just watching DXY's next move. But unlike the previous time, DXY failed to bounce from the trend line because DXY was constantly forming higher lows. And we saw massive correction on the chart of DXY. The selling pressure continued, and right now DXY standing at 105.72 after this big fall. The next big support for DXY is around 105.30 to 105 level. This is the next big support for DXY. If DXY comes down also, this support will try to hold the market, because see, it was the structure of the market broke the structure. But previously, when DXY faced heavy correction, heavy selling, this was the level that provided support to the market. So the buyers around this level will try to provide the support, try to hold the market again. And in case market breaks this level, then there will be a massive sell on DXY, and we'll see a good amount of recovery on GBP, USD, gold, then Euro, USD, everywhere. So this level will be important. I think we should watch DXY carefully for the next 1 or 2 days. And now let's have a look at the chart of Euro Dollar. At first, I would like to show you the daily chart. See, this is the daily chart of Euro USD. After this massive fall, we can see a bullish flag. There was a breakout also. There was a breakout, and right now Euro USD is standing above the 200 moving average as well on the daily chart. That is very important, because the whole story is happening on the daily chart on a higher time frame. So yes, there may be some recovery. There may be some recovery on the chart of Euro USD in the coming days as well. So if you're a positional trader, a swing trader, then you should be looking for buying opportunities mostly, because I was reading an article on daily FX, daily FX, and also on FX trade. The more or less the experts are of the opinion that Euro USD is bullish above 1.00. They have a bullish vision on Euro USD above this level, and Euro USD is obviously trading above this level. So yes, positional traders can consider taking buy position, buy at dip, considering the ongoing buying on Euro USD. So your strategy can be like this, because yes, this may be the next possible move on the Euro USD. But day traders, day traders strategy is completely different, and we cannot deny that. Positional traders, swing traders usually target for hundreds, couple of hundreds, 100 pips, whereas day traders usually target 30, 40, 50, 60 pips. So in this case, we must understand one thing, that right now Euro USD is standing at resistance. So Euro USD is right now standing at resistance, or it has entered the resistance zone here. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then it is almost about to enter the support zone. So if DXY bounces from the support zone, then we may see some selling on the chart of Euro USD for 30-40 pips. But if we look at the chart right now, then Euro USD is extremely bullish. So as a result, the right time has not come yet. Observe the market during the European session, because right now Asian session is going on. Market will be more liquid during the European session, US session. By European session, US session, we may get a clarity about the market. So especially during a European session or US session, if you see market showing price rejection from above, you can consider taking a sell position. But due to the ongoing bullishness in the market, please follow proper risk management, because do not forget that your money, your capital is limited. We are retail traders, our capital is limited. So as a result, we should not gamble with our hard-earned money. And after all, no trader is 100% accurate. As a result, risk management is the most important thing for survival of a retail trader. So observe the market during the European session, US session, because market has already entered the resistance zone here. Okay, I think market may show some selling, not a trend reversal. Okay, at least if it shows some selling, if it shows a good shooting star kind of a pattern or any good price rejection from above, you can consider a sell position. Try to exit. Okay, try to exit after 30-40 pips, because still we don't have anything regarding trend reversal, and already I have shown you that on the daily time frame, okay, market looks bullish. Okay, and obviously the global experts are also of the opinion that in the coming days euro dollar will remain bullish. So let's wait and watch. You can also see the DXY structure is also very weak these days. And in case the uptrend continues, the green candle continues on Euro USD, try to take a buy position above this level. Okay, try to take a buy position above the previous price rejection. Okay, above this level only, above 1.0480. okay, if market crosses this level and if you see that DXY is falling, Euro USD is bullish, then you can go for a buy position, but do not buy right now. Taking a buy position at the resistance can be heavy risk. Okay, don't do that. Okay, if market breaks this level, okay, then you can consider taking a buy position, but right now you should simply observe the market and see how the market reacts. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Okay, as I already said, probably you know that no trader is 100% accurate, so please be careful. And my dear friends, this is the Forex Hero Masterclass, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. If you have been following me, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the workshop, because this workshop is not for complete beginners. This is for those who have been struggling with the market, who are unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. In this workshop, I'll be sharing my point of view. I'll be teaching you my methods, how I look at the market. Okay, this is a 3 days workshop. Okay, hopefully you love it, because this is for everyone, open to all. Okay, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible. If you're struggling right now, if you're in a very bad spot right now, okay, there is hope, because I made it long time ago. So hopefully I'll see you in the class. Bye bye, take care.